welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video. We are jumping right into some organization. I am organizing under my kitchen sink today. A lot of the times, this is a space that gets neglected in our homes, and I want to change that up and give you some ideas that are going to work great for you and your space. If you are a new watcher, I'm so happy you decided to click on this video, and I would love if you considered subscribing. You can hit the subscribe button down below, or you can turn on the bell notifications, and every time I post a video, you will be notified. This is the type of content I love doing, organizing, cleaning, really everything in between, because I just want you to know that my life is so far from perfect, and I try and show the real parts of cleaning and organizing. And so a lot of the times when I am doing that, my space is a complete disaster before. So just know that you are not alone. And anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbering and let's get into this video. Jumping right into some before footage, it can be overwhelming seeing how far you have to go whenever you start an organization project, but this one only took me less than an hour, so I know you can do it too. Has anyone ever tried to do an organization project without removing the things first? It is going to make your life so much harder, so I definitely recommend taking all of the junk out first. This will set you up for success. Then wipe everything down, because you will be so surprised at how much dirt and nasty stuff is in those cabinets. It's crazy. And it's important to remember that organizing can be fun. It's so therapeutic to me, and what I like to do is put on really loud music and make it my own dance party. Once everything is taken out of those cabinets, you basically take inventory of everything you have, find things that you didn't even know were in there, throw things out that you do not use. If you haven't touched it within 6 months, get rid of it. One of my goals this year is to be more mindful of everything I'm keeping in my home. Clutter creates chaos, and so it's really important to declutter often, so that way you can make sure that you're keeping products that serve a purpose or either bring you joy. I purchased a few new items for this organization project, one being this threshold organizer. I love that it has a drawer and it fit perfectly in this space, and I love how it looks with my multi-surface sprays and dish soaps. If you are going to be buying in bulk, then I do recommend going to Costco. You will get the best bang for your buck. However, my favorite scent of all time is the Mrs. Meyer's Peony Multi-Surface Spray, and also the Method Grapefruit Dish Soap. It is so good. I definitely recommend if you haven't checked them out. If you missed my TikTok about this, I would recommend, if you are into the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Sprays, get the concentrate bottle. It is a lot bigger. It is $8. However, the smaller ones are $4, but the concentrate will last you twice as long, and you only have to use a teeny tiny bit every time. Part of the organization process is trying out what's gonna work and what will not, and unfortunately the Container Store bins that I bought were too large. I needed the smaller ones. I used them in my fridge organization video, so I went to the Container Store, exchanged them out, and then I did have a little salad for lunch and then got right back to work. These containers are the best. I love that they're clear so you can see exactly what is in there, and right now the Container Store, they are having a sale, and these were on sale for $7.99 for the smaller ones. So if you are wanting to organize any space in your home, I would get them now. Another thing I love to use, especially under the sink, is caddies. These work so well, especially if you're going to be cleaning around your house. You can just take it out. It has an awesome handle. I got this one specifically from Homegoods. It works so well and holds a bunch of products. And then I use a smaller caddy for all of the products that I reach for quite often. So my vegetable wash, my Tenneco cleaner, my stovetop cleaner, all of the things. It's just so nice. I love that it has a handle and it's super easy to grab. And now, welcome to my favorite part of this video. For some reason, I just love watching containers fill up. It's so satisfying to me. If you watched my last sink organization video, I used an XOXO container for my dishwasher pods. However, I love this system so much more. I just think it's more convenient and easy to grab. All right, let's talk sponges. This is adulthood bliss. I think this is the peak of my success right here, having organized sponges. But I will say that my favorite sponges of all time are the Scrub Daddies. I highly recommend getting them. They are the best. I promise you, these wear so well. They're about $3.99. They last me forever, and they created them in white now, and that's incredible because hashtag aesthetic. And then for the bottom drawer, I put miscellaneous things like my rubber gloves, wet wipes, furniture wipes, and then also we have a guest bathroom downstairs, but it has no storage whatsoever. It's basically a powder bath. So I'm keeping these fresh gel tabs down in this drawer in case I need them, and it's just easy to get to. And then in the other drawer, I kept some disinfectant wipes. The bundle from Costco is so good. I definitely recommend instead of getting the Lysol wipes. They work just as well in my opinion. I know it may look like we're preparing for the end of the world with how much dish soap we have. James bought this without me knowing when I had already bought the method. So if you need a hookup, let me know. On the right side of the cabinet are the container store bins and the Target organizer, and on the left side is where I'm keeping my caddies. However, there is more room, so if we have any extra things, we can put them in there. Just remember, this is your space. Create it exactly how you want. These are just my ideas and suggestions that are going to work for me and my family. Another item I love from the container store is this clear organizer. You can put it on the inside of the doors in your cabinets, and it does have a sticky back, but it doesn't ruin your doors, and they're really easy to use. I stuck it right on there. However, don't say anything, but I know it is a little bit crooked and that's gonna drive me crazy forever, but I'm keeping my sponges, my Scrub Daddy sponges, the special ones, and my veggie brush. Another thing I wanted to mention is this foldable drying mat and rack. I love this thing. I got it at Homegoods. It's so nice that you can tuck it away and there's no clutter left on your countertops. And I just put it right under the sink and it works great. And here are the after clips of the finished project. I love how it turned out. It's so clean and organized, really easy to access everything that I need on a daily basis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!